Now, greetings, my loyal viewers and subscribers. I'm pretty sure a lot of you must be wondering who is this beautiful Rasta lady on your screen. Now, my loyal viewers and subscribers, this Rasta Empress is known as iBrave. She is a person that is coming to dominate this music business. Now, my loyal viewers and subscribers, iBrave has just recently released a song called I Can See Me I tell you, say people send me a lot of songs like almost every single day for me to listen, for me to give back them feedback.
The youth, them are the future. What you saying to me? Boy, you want kill and rape them, that no new to me. But make me
and this was the only song I choose out of all of the 6 songs to review. And the reason why I choose this song is because this track happened to have a message. This young lady was also seen with Dennis Walks in his recent music video called Gifter. Now, my loyal viewers and subscribers, if you have not watched that video, I'm urging you all to go out and watch that video. It's available on all platforms. No, the music video is available on YouTube, I should say. No, but we are talking about iBrave. This moment in time is iBrave moment. I may give her that highlight. I'm putting the spotlight.
Hi, good day. My name is iBrave. Happy to be here. Happy to be in Mother Earth, Mother Nature, as you can see. We're at the beach and I'm a recording artist. I go by the name iBrave. I have a song called Brand New World coming out shortly. We did a video for it already and a couple of other things. And I'm a powerful black woman, want to see some changes in the music industry, especially when it comes on to reggae music that Bob, Peter Touch, Dennis Brown, all of these great icons fight for, that you young people are watering down right now. So I'm just here with positive vibration, positive energy to send out to the youths them. So look out for me. You can find me on all social media platforms, iBrave Music, YouTube.
The youth, them are the future. What you saying to me? Boy, you want kill and rape them, that no new to me. But make me tell you, in a this hard time, you better allow them. Cause iBrave them on the front line.